What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you 3 apartments in the same building, and they are good, clean, plus they are quite affordable as well. Let's go. So this apartment location is really good, and just next to the apartment there is a restaurant that sells Khmer food, Western food and a coffee. And here is like a cycling tour, so there are many activities as well, and it's really good location. So I'm gonna show you 3 apartments in the same building, and the first floor and the second floor. So you have to go upstairs by foot. The apartment location is really good. Only 1 minute by a bike to the pub street, but maybe 8 minutes to the biggest local market in Siem Reap. And there are many like supermarket around it, so it's really good. And this is the first room. It's on the first floor. It has a kitchen. This is the kitchen area. As you walk inside the apartment, there's a kitchen area. It has a sink, a gas stove, a few cupboards. The room is clean. That's all I can say. And this is the studio. It's not a 1-bedroom apartment. It has a shower with hot water, a Western style toilet, a sink, and a mirror. And this is a bedroom area. As you can see, it's really nice and clean, and it looks like a Western style. The bed, let me see. Yep, the bed is comfortable. The bed is comfortable. It's a double bed and has 2 pillows and a long pillow. It has a few cupboards in there and more here. And it has a fridge, a big wardrobe. If you have lots of clothes, you can put lots of things in there. And it has a window. And this room, it has an aircon as well and a big smart TV. So this smart TV, you can watch some Netflix, and it's quite big, so it's really good. And it has a table and 2 chairs. And the location is quite good, maybe like 5 or 7 minutes to the pub street by foot. So it's really close. So if you like to go in pub street, or you like to go to the supermarket, it's really close. You don't really need a bike so much. But if you're a person who likes to driving around a lot, you might need a bike or bicycle anyway to driving around the city. So this apartment is $250 per month. Yeah, so it's really good, and include Wi-Fi as well. So now let's go upstairs to check 2 different rooms as well. A different room. I got a feeling the upstairs is a bit bigger, but maybe I'm wrong because I checked before. So this is the second floor, and I'm gonna show you this one and that one. So first I'm gonna show you this one. So this apartment, it has similar style. It has a kitchen. This is a kitchen area, a sink, gas stove, few cupboards, and this is a shoe rack. And this is the bathroom area. Bathroom has a mirror, a sink, a Western style toilet, and a shower with hot water. The bathroom is really clean. This apartment is clean. The owner keep it clean, so it's really good thing. And as you guys can see, no one's here. The owner leave the bed is over there, so make sure it's clean. And even though no one's here, sometimes the owner have the employee to clean around, even though no one's here. And the wardrobe, a big fridge, a lamp, a few cupboards here. So basically similar style, and it has a smart TV as well, and a table, 2 chairs, and this is the balcony area. So if you want, you can move the chair to here and a table to here, and you can sit down here and have some cup of coffee if you want to. And this room, it has an aircon as well. So now I'm gonna show you the third room. So this is the third room. It's on the second floor, the same. Yeah. So the third room is a little bit different style, a little bit. It has, as you walk in, there's a cupboard, and this is the kitchen area. It has a sink, gas stove, kettle as well, so you don't have to bite the kettle on something like this. And it has a shower with hot water, a mirror, a sink, and a Western style toilet. The good thing about this apartment, the location just so good. There are many like supermarket, school, and next to Pub Street, everything is quite close. So you can go in by foot instead of by bike. But if you want to explore with bike, anyway, you can. Or you can get tuk-tuk going around the city if you want to. And it has cupboards, a big wardrobe, few cupboards, and a chair. And the bedroom, the double bed is comfortable. And it looks so unique. It looks nice. It looks clean, like a Western style. And this is the window. As you can see here, if you can stand here, it's like more, if you're gonna choose this room, it's like more views here. So it's really good. And this is the balcony area. Oh yeah, I have to open the balcony. So this is the balcony area. It has a table, a chair. Yeah, so you can sit here and drink a cup of coffee or beer and some smoke if you want to. And this is the view. Oh, it feels good because of the wind. It's super hot. I'm sweating while I'm recording. So this room, so the first room, the second room, and the third room, the price is the same. They are the same price. It's $250 per month, include Wi-Fi and all of this furniture. And a big smart TV, so you can watch Netflix and watch Amazon Prime, anything you want, because it's a smart TV. Anyway guys, and that's all for this video, and I hope you guys like it. If you like this apartment, you can contact to the owner straight away. And yeah, so that's all for this video, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.